10 billion passwords leaked on dark web in an unprecedented cybersecurity incident. A massive data breach has resulted in the exposure of 10 billion passwords on the dark web. This alarming event marks one of the largest leaks in internet history, posing severe risks to individuals and organizations worldwide. The scale of the breach has impacted billions of users across various platforms, including email services, social media networks, online banking, and e-commerce sites. The leaked data includes usernames, email addresses, and hashed passwords, many of which have been decrypted, making them vulnerable to exploitation. How did it happen? Cybersecurity experts suggest that the breach could be a result of several smaller breaches that have been aggregated over time. Hackers might have exploited vulnerabilities in outdated software, weak passwords, or social engineering tactics to gain access to these vast amounts of data. The breach underscores the importance of robust security measures and regular updates to protect sensitive information. Implications for users with such a massive amount of sensitive data now accessible on the dark web. Users are at heightened risk of identity theft, financial fraud, and other cybercrimes. It is crucial for individuals to take immediate action to protect themselves. Change passwords. Users should change their passwords immediately, especially for critical accounts such as email, banking, and social media. Enable two-factor authentication to FA. Adding an extra layer of security can help prevent unauthorized access. Monitor accounts. Regularly check bank statements and online accounts for any unusual activity. Use password managers. These tools can generate and store complex passwords, reducing the risk of using easily guessable passwords. Steps for organizations. Organization must also take swift action to mitigate the risks posed by this breach. Key steps include: strengthen security protocols. Ensure all systems are up to date with the latest security patches and updates. Employee training. Conduct regular training sessions to educate employees about phishing attacks and other common cyber threats. Incident response plans. Develop and maintain a robust incident response plan to quickly address any breaches. Regular audits. Perform regular security audits to identify and rectify potential vulnerabilities. Dark web. The exposure of 10 billion passwords on the dark web is a stark reminder of the ever-present threats in the digital world. By taking proactive measures, both individuals and organizations can enhance their cybersecurity posture and protect against potential attacks. Stay vigilant, stay secure, web glad.